everyone, my name is Louise Bailey. I'm Business Development Manager here at Edale. I'd like to welcome you today to the Daily Bailey, which is a factory tour here at Edale to show you which machines we've got going through manufacture. So if you'd like to follow me, let's go. Okay, so next up we have a Digicon 3000, and this machine is actually going to a customer in the UK. It is a 760 wide press that we manufacture in partnership with AB Graphic. And the configuration of this press is one flexo station, which has an extended hot air drying tower. It also has a gravure coating upgrade and combination cold foil, cast and cure and UV lamination module. And to finish, we have razor slitting. Thanks very much for joining us on the tour today. I hope you found it useful, and if you'd like any more information, you can contact info@edale.com. See you soon.